Today I had a date with you. Yesterday I had a date with Papa.
Aren't you a lucky boy?
Yes.
What letter is this?
I.
I is for?
Ice cream.
Very good. And? Say hello. I got my two little minions with me this morning. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Here is the other one.
Wagwan.
Fix the mask over your nose. And the other one is here. Sarah say wagwan. Sarah look, say wagwan. No? You guys, Sarah is heading to school this morning again. But baby is at the office today, so I have to take Tyler with me. So Tyler and I are gonna have a little date after. So that's what we're heading out to do this morning. Hopefully it will also be a good day for Sarah today again. Anyway guys, if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch and keep up with us. It's chilly here. Hopefully you guys are not so cold where you are, but if you are, stay warm. We in these streets. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog and give this video a thumbs up right now, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. He's too cute. And this evening I have a meeting this evening on Zoom with the St. Hugh's High School. Somebody reached out to me from their culture club and asked me to come and speak on my experience living here in France. So I'm looking forward to do that. It will be when the kids in bed, that way it will be easier for me. So I'll share a bit of that with you guys, how it goes, but it's how it go. But it's been my pleasure to talk to the kids at St. Hugh's and share my do's and don'ts of living here in France with them. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Look at these two bunny rabbits. Hopping. Why is she not in school? So you guys, because I am so routine and I like being on time, I came to drop Sarah for 8:30, not remembering that on a Wednesday school starts at 9. So I have 15 minutes before she goes in. So we are here at the park that she normally goes in. They don't finish cleaning it, so I have to be here outside waiting for them to finish cleaning the park so she can go play a bit before heading in school. Just 15 minutes though, so no worries. We got this. Look at them. She's happy to have Tai. Tai, you haven't been here since you were 3. Since you were 2. Tyler used to love this park. Yonner, go on that one. Look, the blue one over there. Go. Sarah, go with Tai Tai. Let her sit first. Put her in. Okay. Put up Stella. You go on the other side now. And take time. Not hard. Hold on, Sarah. Let's go. Woo! Shake, shake. Keep jacket on.
Stella.
You want Stella? Oh la la. she loved this Stella jacket. Anything for her to twirl in her Stella jacket, she'll take it. I have to make sure this Stella jacket always clean, because when she wants it, oh Lord, I'll sometimes have to put it on her dirty because she love her some Stella. You guys, drop off my girl, and Tyler and I is in town. In town there is a carnival that is happening here in Nice. The carnival is happening here in Nice. So we have some attractions that Tyler will enjoy looking at this morning. So that's my aim, taking him to look around at the carnival things, and then we're gonna head to the library. Why am I so blurry? I'm gonna head to the library. Wow, the first one, Ty, look! Wow, oh my gosh! That's so cool! Yes?
There is stuff that was in my carnival.
Wow! Maybe I'm gonna get as close as I can so you guys can see this one. Give me a hand. Let's get across the street. Wow. Okay. Let's get a good capture of him. Why am I so blurry? Okay, there it is. That's beautiful. So these things are in the parade that we decided that we're not going this year to this carnival, but we'll go to a different type of carnival on Saturday, which of course you guys will see that vlog. Okay, so that's the first one that you're looking at. I'm trying to get a good angle of it for you guys. Okay, so there we go. That's cute, no, Ty? Wow, the sun is ruining the shot. Oops, oops, oopsie, oopsie. Everybody's taking photos. I don't want to ruin people's photo. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this better, but the sun is not making me be great. Don't you get it? Block out the sun. That's beautiful. Look at that, he's just taking it in. This one is beautiful. She's such a beauty on the top, but the sun is not making me catch it properly from front way. All right, let's go find the others. What is this one?
There's the Negros Glory.
Ah, okay. Bonjour. This is another one. Then the Negresco, and what else you see on there? What else? It's another one for the parade. Okay, so there's a carnival market, like a little village, but it's closed. I mean, all the little shops are closed. I don't know what time they open. Let me read and see if there's a time.
Look.
Nice. N-I-C-E. My beautiful city. They have a market here, which every day they have activities going on for the entire week, but it's in the afternoon. So today on this day you have the flower parade this afternoon at 2:30, but I won't be staying for that with 2 kids in that crowd. No, honey child. Miss me with that one. If babe was with me, then yes I would, but if baby's not with me, that's gonna be a struggle. So if you guys look closely, you'll be able to see some of the things that I'm walking the parade. You see a snake here, you see these two ladies over there, and you see other things throughout the park. But I guess they just rest them here for whenever the parade is going on, they pick them up. Carnival de Nice. We passed the de down there. Oh yeah, look at this horse, so cute. Carnival de Nice.
And also this boss here.
Where?
With the hat.
Tell us that this man is the boss with the hat. Alright, so we're exiting the village right now, heading to the park, heading towards the library. Hey you! You're climbing inside the stomach of a fish. Hmm?
Yes.
How does it feel in there? It smells salmon. Okay. The library reading books. Of course, look the book he chose. It's that one. Well, Mama is catching up on some words and some stories. That's what I'm doing right now. But of course, we have to keep our mask on. So we are here. I'm back home. I'm tired, but I am back home. It was a productive morning. Both kids are done for a nap right now. Sarah aced today, nailed it. No crying when I drop her, no crying when I pick her up, no crying when she saw me, no crying all day. Winnings. When I pick her up, she said, Mama, Sarah, go to school and no crying. She was so sweet. All right, you guys, so I got home and I whip up lunch real quick. This is my lunch. I'm gonna dive in. I'm having a salad. So I have chicken, egg, tomato, carrot, and some mixed veg under there, and that's lunch. Grab time. Dinner is in progress. Why that look like it just burned you? It burned you? Dinner is in progress. We're having the last of our leftovers. Tyler is having everything that you guys see in the vlog before. Creamy spinach, rice, chicken, 2 different types. Sarah is having rice, green beans, and chicken. It's dinner time in our household and I didn't have to cook today. I'm finishing up all my leftovers from Valentine's Day yesterday. We don't waste food around here, girl. We make sure we eat them all. So this is what baby dinner is looking like. We have broccoli, peas, and green beans. What letter is this?
I.
I is for
Ice cream.
very good. And island.
Island.
Very good. What letter is this?
J.
J is for
Jacket.
and
Jar.
jar. Very good. And jam.
It's a jar.
She's right. What letter is this?
K.
K is for?
Kangaroo.
Good job. And?
Kite.
Good job. What letter is this?
L.
L is for?
Mama, lion. Lion.
Okay. Very good. And?
Ladybug.
And?
Leaf.
Good job.
What letter is this? Q. What
Q
is this?
is for?
Quail.
Quilt. Good job. And? What is this? Q is for? Look. Quarter. Good job.
What letter is this?
R. No, we are at R. R is for?
What is that?
Rubber duck. Good job.
What
And?
Correct.
Rug.
Rock.
Why are you still awake? Huh? Look who woke up and joined Mama. You guys, I was talking to the St. Hughes High School Girls Culture Club and I wanted to vlog and I was having such a good time I completely forget to pick up the camera. And Sarah even woke up and joined me. But I'm gonna put her back to bed right now and I am heading to bed because I now have a headache. I was having too much fun, I guess. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Though it wasn't much. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. You're too cute.